This is my homework for lesson 7. The part is consonant sound. Sit, sit. Please have a seat. Please have a seat. Sick, sick. I have got sick. I have got sick. See, see. Did you see Mickey and where? Did you see Mickey and where? Smile, smile. Smile as much as possible. Smile as much as possible. Peace, peace. Learning English is peace cake. Learning English is peace cake. Swim, swim. I love swimming in summer. I love swimming in summer. And the second is consonant sound. Z, z, zoo, zoo. We must go to the zoo. We must go to the zoo. Keys, keys. I have lost my keys in last night. I have lost my keys in last night. Zebra, zebra. Slime was stuck in a zebra. Slime was stuck in a zebra. Zipper, zipper. My zipper is stuck. My zipper is stuck. Shoes, shoes. Your shoes is mellow. Your shoes is mellow. Cookies, cookies. Buy cookies. Buy cookies. Thank you for watching. Bye. See you again.